Every moment after a car crash counts. Most people freeze, not realizing how their next few steps can decide the outcome of their insurance claim. Staying calm and alert right now can protect both your health and your legal rights. Every year, millions of drivers experience road accidents, some minor, some life-changing. In those few confusing minutes after a crash, most people don't know what to do, who to call, or how to protect their rights. That's exactly where Car Accident Attorney comes in. In this complete guide, you'll learn the step-by-step process of what to do after an accident, how a car accident attorney helps, and what serious mistakes to avoid that could ruin your claim. Step 1. Stay calm and secure the scene. The first few minutes after an accident are the most critical. Take a deep breath, turn on your hazard lights, and check for injuries. If anyone is hurt, call emergency services immediately. A car accident attorney always advises clients to avoid arguing with the other driver. Emotions can make the situation worse. Instead, focus on staying safe and collecting evidence, photos of both vehicles, the road, traffic signs, and the surroundings. These small details often become big factors when a case goes to court. Telephone receiver. Step 2. Report the accident to the police. Never skip this step. A police report is one of the most powerful documents a car accident attorney uses to establish facts. When the officer arrives, describe what happened calmly and honestly, but don't admit fault or apologize. If you say something like "I didn't see you" or "I'm sorry," that simple sentence might be used against you later. Let the car accident attorney handle the legal interpretation of events. The report you file after a car accident isn't just a formality, it's the foundation of your entire legal case. This document becomes the most important piece of evidence for your car accident attorney, helping to clearly establish who was at fault and how the incident occurred. Even if the other driver later denies responsibility, a well-written and detailed report can protect your rights and strengthen your claim. Always make sure to include every small detail: location, time, weather, witness names, and vehicle damage. Accuracy and completeness matter more than anything else. A carefully prepared report not only supports your attorney but also increases your chances of getting fair compensation and a faster resolution to your case. Step 3. Get a medical checkup. Many accident victims walk away thinking they're fine until days later when neck pain, headaches, or back injuries start showing up. A car accident attorney knows that untreated injuries can reduce your claim value. Always visit a doctor the same day, even for minor pain. Medical records are crucial proof when insurance companies review your case. Skipping medical attention is one of the biggest mistakes people make after a collision. Sometimes, the injuries you can't see are the ones that cause the most lasting damage. After an accident, you might feel fine at first, but internal injuries, whiplash, or muscle strain can appear hours or even days later. That's why getting medical attention right away is so important, not just for your health, but also for your legal protection. A doctor's report can serve as crucial evidence for your car accident attorney, showing that your injuries were caused by the crash. Without that documentation, it becomes harder to prove your case later. Seeking timely medical care ensures you recover properly and gives your attorney the strong foundation they need to fight for the fair compensation you truly deserve. Step 4. Contact a car accident attorney as soon as possible. The moment you leave the accident scene, your next call should be to a car accident attorney. Don't wait until problems start. The sooner they step in, the more effectively it can protect your case. Here's what a car accident attorney typically does for you: collects and preserves evidence before it's lost, deals with insurance companies on your behalf, calculates the full value of your medical bills, car damage, and lost income, guides you on what to say and what not to say during official statements. Most importantly, a car accident attorney works to ensure you don't get pressured into accepting an unfair settlement. Step 5. Avoid these costly mistakes. Even strong cases can collapse because of small, avoidable errors. A professional car accident attorney repeatedly warns clients about these points. 1. Never post about your accident on social media. Insurance investigators monitor your posts. Even a casual picture can weaken your case. 2. Don't talk directly to the other driver's insurance company. They might record your call and twist your words later. 3. Avoid quick settlements. Some companies offer low payouts hoping you'll take them before knowing your rights. 4. Keep every bill, prescription, and record. Your car accident attorney needs documentation to prove expenses. How a car accident attorney actually helps you. Many people think hiring a lawyer means going to court, but in reality, most cases are settled outside the courtroom. A car accident attorney focuses on negotiation first. They collect evidence, contact witnesses, talk to medical experts, and then present a strong case to the insurance company. If negotiations fail, your car accident attorney represents you in court with full preparation. They ensure you're compensated for vehicle repair or replacement, medical treatment and future care, emotional stress and trauma, lost wages or business loss, long-term disabilities. A car accident attorney isn't just a legal expert, they're your advocate when the system feels too complex. A skilled car accident attorney does far more than just file legal documents. They turn your experience into a strong legal case. From collecting crucial evidence and speaking to witnesses, to negotiating firmly with insurance companies, their job is to protect your rights at every stage. They make sure your voice is heard and that you receive the fair treatment and compensation you truly deserve, easing the stress while you focus on recovery and getting your life back on track. Choosing the right car accident attorney. Finding the right lawyer can change the entire outcome of your case. Look for someone who specializes in accident and injury law, has proven results in similar cases, communicates clearly and keeps you updated, works on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay only if you win. Before signing any agreement, ask your car accident attorney about past cases and client reviews. Transparency builds trust. How long does the legal process take? Many victims expect quick results, but the timeline depends on the complexity of the case. A car accident attorney can often settle simple cases in a few weeks, while more serious injuries may take months. What matters most is patience. Rushing to close your case might mean losing thousands of dollars in compensation. What to do if the insurance company refuses to pay? Sometimes insurance adjusters deny or delay claims, hoping you'll give up. A skilled car accident attorney knows how to handle these tactics. They can file a legal complaint, demand an independent investigation, or take the matter to court if necessary. Remember, once you have a car accident attorney on your side, the insurance company must deal with them directly, not you. Real advice from a car accident attorney. Here's what experienced attorneys often tell their clients: never assume the other driver will do the right thing. Document everything: photos, receipts, doctor visits. Stay consistent in your statements. Don't let fear or confusion rush your decisions. A car accident attorney isn't just there for paperwork, they're there to protect your future. Final thoughts: a car crash can change your life in seconds, but with the right help, you can regain control. From the moment the accident happens to the final settlement, having a car accident attorney means you're never alone in the process. They guide you through every detail, fight for fair compensation, and make sure your voice is heard. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a major injury case, a car accident attorney stands by your side until justice is served. The final signature doesn't just end the case, it closes a difficult chapter of your life. With the right car accident attorney by your side, You don't just win compensation, you win peace of mind and the confidence to move forward.